Welcome to the Web API Kit video series. Our assets can be found on unity3dassets.com, and of course they are sold exclusively on the Unity 3 Asset Store. So after you import your Web API Kit core and other components, you will see a WAC folder, inside of which will be a core folder. And the core folder is where all of the internal functionality lies. The examples folder has all of the examples that this video series will be based around. The extended folder contains different attributes, C# attributes, that can be applied to your HTTP operations class and the fields within those classes to drive the request and response behaviors. The external folder has an implementation of a console that hooks into the debug.log of Unity and a version of the lit.json library for serializing and deserializing. Inside the core folder, you will find the core functionality. I mentioned that the HTTP abstract provider is an abstract class on which all of our providers are built on. So for example, the www provider, UniWeb, and best HTTP providers are all based on that class. If you go to the top, you'll see the Web API Kit menu. Under the core, there is a link to generate models from JSON library that's hosted on Codeplex, and we are working with that developer to bring that functionality into the editor, where you'll be able to post your JSON requests and responses and have the necessary operations and models generated for you to help you build your own APIs quicker. Here is a link to download the providers. This is going to take you to the Unity Asset Store, and these providers are free. However, they do require that you own those assets. The demo scene, if you click on it, it will take you to the core examples scene. At the bottom here is a submit ticket. This opens an editor window that is driven with our Web API Kit functionality, and please feel free to look at the source code and see how it works. This connects into our Mantis bug tracking instance, which has a SOAP XML API exposed, and we communicate with that to retrieve a list of projects and to submit a issue into our system. Feel free to request more videos, more code samples, whatever it is that you would like to see in future releases, please do so. And the other cool thing, under the Unity 3D folder, let me show you the 24-hour deal. So by default this is disabled. If you click on enable it, and then let's close Unity real quick, and let's open Unity again. Using our Web API Kit functionality, we have gone out to the asset store and are showing you the graphic and the description and price of the current 24-hour deal. If you click on anywhere in here, it will take you to that asset on the asset store. And the source code for this is included as well. Please feel free to take a look at it. I hope you enjoy the series.